How to use a Walmart e-gift card at checkout. Let's get started. Make sure you have the e-gift card ready before you start the checkout process. Locate the barcode or 16-digit e-gift card number in your email or Walmart account. Open the Walmart app or your email. If needed, take a screenshot of the card or print it for convenience. Go to the self-checkout kiosk, scan each item or manually enter any barcodes as you normally would. Once all your items are scanned, tap on Pay or proceed to the payment screen. On the payment screen, look for the Walmart gift card option. Tap on it to proceed with using your e-gift card. If your e-gift card has a barcode, use the self-checkout scanner to scan the barcode displayed on your phone, screenshot or printed version. Tap the option to manually enter the 16-digit e-gift card number and the PIN. The self-checkout will deduct the e-gift card balance from a total. If your e-gift card does not cover the full purchase amount, you will be prompted to choose another payment method. Once the payment is complete, a receipt will print, showing the remaining e-gift card balance. Save the receipt or check the Walmart app to confirm the updated balance. So this is how you can use Walmart e-gift card at self-checkout. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.